Bitcoin, the instrument that helps to fulfill humans' desire to ride a roller coaster despite being locked down at home. The instrument that makes hundreds of thousands of millionaires, but at the same time causing people's dreams to shatter. Hello everyone, welcome back to SmallCapGuy. In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole. I will share with you why cryptocurrency has been gaining so much attention at the current moment and what is the future of cryptocurrency would look like. Don't miss any opportunity where you could potentially make money from it. It seems like I am too late to talk about it already because everyone else has been covering them at the start of the 2021 when the bull run happened. But let me share with you that I'm not going to go through the boring technical analysis to tell you where the price is right now and where it will be next week so you can get the perfect entry and exit prices. I will be using another perspective to explain this controversial instrument, and you might probably have never heard from another YouTuber covering this before. First of all, we have been pretty happy about using cash or money for our daily transactions and everything seems good. Usually, when humans are comfortable with something, we tend not to change because having a change is extremely hard, and especially changing something that we have been using for thousands of years is even harder. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency created, and the intention of it was to be an electronic cash system in this world, meaning it was going to be a native currency, and ideally everyone would be transacting using Bitcoin instead of currencies from individual countries. The introduction of Bitcoin is a way to disrupt the perfect monetary system we have been using for the past many years. Initially, no one cared about it, but over the past 10 years, more and more people are starting to believe in cryptocurrencies. So, why would people accept something that would disrupt the current system and they are willing to take the hard path for making a change? The answer is about future value. Before I move on, I want to tell you a story that you probably won't hear from another personal finance or investing YouTuber ever, which is how we as humans can conquer the world and become the ruler on this earth. More than 100,000 years ago, we were not the only kind of human, and there were many other types of humans that existed in this world. We are all considered as the descendants of Homo sapiens, the modern humans, and all other types of humans are extinct now. You may think that because we were more intelligent than the rest of them, so we can survive and grow until now. Actually, this is not 100% correct. We were similarly intelligent, and Homo neanderthalensis has even got a larger brain size than us. If modern humans are not significantly smarter, how do we outlast them? The reason is because we have the ability to create myths. Think about it. Almost all kinds of animals on Earth have the ability to communicate with the same species. Dogs can bark to each other and they know what each bark means. Bees and ants know their roles in order to work with each other. However, they can only communicate whatever they have either seen, heard, or smelled. In this entire world, only modern humans know how to talk about the things that they have never seen, touched, or smelled. Meaning to say, only we know how to tell lies. Because we know how to make promises that have yet become real, it influences other humans to believe in the same vision. So it helps to bond us together and conquer the world eventually. One obvious example. What is money? Physically, money is just a piece of paper. However, When everyone believes that money is valuable, then this piece of paper will become valuable and it will be upgraded to become a currency. Same goes for a company. The reason why you want to invest in a company is because the management shows you different pictures of what this company will look like in the future. If Facebook tells you that today is the last day they are making money, no one would invest in Facebook already. How about running a country? These candidates going for elections would tell you promising stories about how they can make a country a better place. You believe in that vision, so you casted a vote for them. For more information, you can read the book The Brief History of Humankind by Yuval Noah Harari. If you are loving my content that no one else is going to tell you in a typical finance or investing YouTube channel, remember to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Coming back to Bitcoin. The reason why Bitcoin is so valuable now is because people believe in it. Even though it was just a bunch of codes when it was first created, right now, one Bitcoin may be worth more than your entire life savings. Now, I'm not a person who would only tell you a fancy stories like this and draw a conclusion. I am a numbers person, so we have to look at facts and data. I'm going to show you Coinbase second quarter 2021 financial results. And why do I pick Coinbase? Is because it is the second best crypto exchanges in the world, and it is the only US public listed company in terms of crypto exchange. Now, let me move on to the key operating metrics. The monthly transacting users has been increasing exponentially across different quarters. And the trading volume right now for second quarter 2021, you can see it was $462 billion, and it is almost 20 times more than where it was for last year's second quarter. But you can see that for assets on platform, the numbers actually dropped from the last quarter, quarter 1 2021. Now, why is that so? I want to tell you that for the entire crypto market, for example, Bitcoin, from 1st of April 2021 until 30th of June, the entire market experienced a market crash for the crypto market. So you can see for Bitcoin, it has dropped by 40% in terms of the price. And other alternative coins, they kind of like following the Bitcoin movement. So for Bitcoin, it has dropped 40%, while for Coinbase, I want to show you how much it has dropped. So we go to the calculator, and then I want to show you that even though Bitcoin has dropped by 40%, but for Coinbase results, they have only dropped by 19.3%. It is only half of what Bitcoin has dropped. For financial metrics, the revenue, the income has been increasing as usual. Trading volume, you can see that for institutional investors, the trading volume, it has been always higher than the retail investors, and the gap is getting larger and larger. And for institutional investors, once they have bought into some form of assets, it is actually harder for them to dispose of the assets, meaning to say they are going to hold them for a longer term, unlike retail investors. And when we come to trading volume, the volume of Bitcoin, the percentage has been getting lower and lower across the quarters. It means that investors, they are more willing to accept the other type of crypto assets, and they believe in its future value. Based on my opinion, the number of people accepting cryptocurrencies is going up for now, even though there was a crypto crash in the second quarter of 2021. When there is more adoption, demand goes up and the price would also go up. However, any instruments that is having attention now doesn't mean that it will stay forever. So that's why you need to stay updated on the topic. My best advice to you, I would like to tell you that trend is your friend. There might be some innovations that you are not able to accept for now, but I want to tell you that technology is changing faster than ever. If you ask someone from 5,000 years ago to time travel and live 1,000 years ago, that person may be able to adapt to it because nothing much has changed. But if you ask someone born 200 years ago to live today, I'm sure the person might not be able to accept everything he sees. Therefore, you need to accept new things faster. If you don't believe in it, research and understand that topic until you believe in it. Once you are able to accept new innovations, at least invest a small amount in them. Many years later, when the value is 10 times or 100 times higher, you'll be able to show off to your children. Oops, I was reading the wrong script. Many years later, when the value is 10 times or 100 times higher, you'll be one step closer to achieving your financial independence. All the best to your investing journey and looking forward to see you next time.